Welcome back to another tutorial of 3ds Max. In this video I will give you a brief about interior designing in 3ds Max from scratch. First, go to the customize and unit setup. Here you can set the unit as per your preference, just like I am doing the inches. Say OK, and now we'll start our plan with a rectangle. So go to the shapes and create a rectangle, just like I am doing on my screen. Go to the modify, and in the parameter you can define the length and width. For example, I am doing this. Select the rectangle and create edit spline. Select a spline, and we can create outline by giving the 4 inches value. You can see on the screen the outline is created. Now go to the modifier list, and here type extrude. Give the amount, that is the height, and don't forget to click on generate mapping. Now you can change the view by Alt W. Go to the top view and create a plane from the standard primitive. On the toggle, snapping end point to end point. Now we have our plane. This will work as a floor. You can check also in another view whether it is in correct position or not. Just align on the same baseline. Now it is ready. We can see our floor in 3D view. So let's go to the next topic. We'll create a box for the window opening and another one for the door. So create a box randomly and go to the parameters and set the dimension as per your reference. As I am doing this for 96, I should change the value. So 14, align to the center and give the height of some around 6 feet. Maybe we can do some more. Yes, definitely we should give some more height. So make it 7 feet. Now it is looking good. From another view you can adjust the okay, now it is fine. Select the wall, go to the standard primitive and click on compound object. Then there's the option of Pro Boolean. Start pick and select the reference object. Then only we can make the hole. Escape, and you can drag into the another object. Okay, go to the top view. Okay, left view, and in standard primitive we can make a plane. We are doing this for making a window curtain glass. Okay, and go to the parameter, set the length segment 1 and 5 for the vertical. In 3D view it is easy to customize the curtain view, that's why I am doing here. Just make a copy of that, shift and drag, then you can do the copy. Right click on and say convert to editable poly. Click on edges, select all the edges, right click, and there's option create shape. Say linear and hit OK. Now off the edges and remove the lines, and you can see we have the shape which is extract from the plane. Then go to the parameters and enable the render and viewport. Give the parameter as a rectangular, and here we can adjust the parameters as a width. I'm going to do is 1.5 1 inches. Okay, now it's looking good. Just align this frame Okay, delete this one. Select the frame and align to the glass. Okay, maybe it's good from the top view. Okay, slowly you can align and you can check whether it is on the center alignment or not. Now it is, yes, now it is good. Okay, you can rotate from every corner of the sides and you can see whether it's perfect or not. You can make changes from here. Okay, fine, it is looking good. Then go to the top view, create one box again. This is for our door. Go to the modify parameters and define the values. Make some alignment, give the height value. Okay, now it is good. Now select shade view so that we can see it clearly, and select the wall. Again pick the reference for make the hole. So go to the top view and go to the application menu, click on import and select merge option. All the reference file is given in the description. There's a link you can download from there, which is I'm using in this file. So select the .3ds file and say open. Okay, yes, now we have our door. Let's go to the group and make it a group so that we don't have to select one part of the door. Rotate it, go to the rotation, right click on it and set it 90 degree so that we can rotate on every 90 degree. You can make a scale. Short key is for R. Okay, we need to some more scaling. Set whether it is correct or not. Use the scale setting to adjust. Okay, now it is fine. Go to the another view. Okay, we need to change the flooring dimensions, make it some bigger. Now it is perfect. From another view we can see whether it is in correct position or not. So make it useful. Okay, here I am doing the scale option. Our door is ready and the window is ready. We have the door, window, floor and the wall. For the next step, I am going to application menu. Okay, first save the file. You will get all the files in the description. There's a link is given. You can download from there. Go to the application menu, click on import and say merge option. We have curtain. Use .3ds file, say open, click OK. Yes. Now from 3D view we can see we have the curtain in very good position. Okay, just delete one because there's a two different types of material is applied on that curtain. That's why I'm doing this. Just set on the curtain window. Okay, set on the wall. It is looking good. Make a copy of same but use the insert option so that if you will apply the material or any texture to the curtain, automatically will replace the another one. Go to the left view and do it on this position. Pretty perfect. Now it is time for making a curve, and go to the shape option, use rectangle tool, make a rectangle of 12 inches by 12 inches. You can adjust the dimension from parameter. And go to the modifier and use edit spline. Enable the spline segment, select one and delete it. Then go to the vertex, select the below vertex and move somewhere else. You can give some outline for the thickness, as I'm giving the 1 inches. You can see maybe we can revise it 0.75 or 0.5. Set on the wall. Use vertex to reduce or enlarge the size. Yes. Select the shape and make a copy of it. Use copy option. Go to the modifier and delete the edit spline by right clicking and adjust on the curve. Go to the modifier list, select edit spline, use the vertex option and align the vertices as per the space required and the shape, and go to the another view, select the curve shape, go to the modifier and use extrude option and define the value here as a 0.5 and select again the another one Okay, first move towards the curtain, select the main option, go to the modifier and select extrude. Define the extrude value. We need to reduce it. The side, select this one, adjust the placement and make a copy of it. Say OK and move to the next end point to close the curve area. As it is. Select all the curve object and make a group of it. Yeah, it's looking good. Go to the group and create group. Curtain holder. That's looking something pretty. Go to the render setup. Under common parameters, there is assign option. Use the V-Ray advance and press OK. Close the window and go to the material editor. You can use the short key M. Now first go to the get material. From the given list you can choose V-Ray MTL. Double click to upload. From the diffuse button, click on bitmap. Okay, tiles. Go to the advanced controller. Click on the none for bitmap. Check the desktop. And there's a texture for marble. You can upload it. Click the object, show the material and assign the material. Go back to the parent and you can make the count of horizontal and vertical grooves. As per the area, we can define the count, as I am making 20 and 12. Give some dark shades of groove. Press OK and the grooves gap 0.1 for both the sides. Close the appearance window and go back to the parent. I am giving some reflection. Okay, for that click on the black area of reflection. Do it like this, press OK. And the reflection glossiness, give the value of 0.95. 0.9. Now you can see the glossiness. Make the max depth 7. Press enter and close the window. Now the tile is ready. We'll see the go to the application menu, click on import and merge option. This is sofa. Click on .3ds option. Yes, this one, and click on open. Click OK. Yes. Now we have the sofa 3D model, but we need to reduce the size of the sofa. First make a group of it. Sofa, let's press OK. Press R from the keyboard and from the middle you can reduce the size by using a scale option. make a rectangle for the dimension reference. (36 by 36) and scale the sofa as per the reference size. I can see the room size is very much bigger. Okay, so we need to do something. Select all the options, all the objects except the sofa, and use a scale option so that we can get a proper view of camera, field of view. Create a rectangle. In the parameter, set the value. I am doing this because we had changed the size of the all objects. We need to scale the size of the door. You can use the shortcut R option from the keyboard to scale the object. As you can see, I am doing here. You can also modify your object with the scale, move and rotate option if you want some more changes. I'm not getting it very good. From the any left view or side view, you can adjust the object, so it will give you the proper height and width and the position size. You can see I'm scaling it from the left side because the top is clear, but the side view is very bigger than the usual. Now it is looking good. Mix up movement to the right corner. We are doing all of this because we need to a clear view. Okay, from every corner I'm checking how it's looking. It's also looking great from the front view. Go to the application menu, select import and use the merge option. We have a frame, select .3ds, open, OK, yes. I don't know the position, I need to rotate the object. Okay, it is very bigger. Make it rotate in 90 degree proper. Then move to the front view. And use the scale option to reduce the size. You can also check a reference from the making a rectangle or any other object which gives you the reference size of the object, and by aligning you can make the changes as per your requirement. From front view we can see very clearly that it is a big size. You can reduce by scaling option. Make a copy by shift and drag option. Use copy option, and again you can scale to make the size changes, but do it before applying the material, otherwise the material can be seen as a stretch material. Okay, select both the option and use a scale to give a proper size. Make a copy of the square frame. You can check other positions whether it's looking good or not. I think it is looking nice. You can check in 3D view. Go to the application menu, click on import and merge option. So there's a plant, use .3ds file, click open, OK, yes, and we have our plant. We'll use this plant on the living view interior option. Place where you want to put it, create a group, name it plant, OK. Reposition the object using the move tool. You can also see in the 3D view, but it's looking very smaller. Make it bigger from the scale option. Again you need to adjust the position because we just did the scaling option. Move into the right position. The position of the objects definitely have an impact on your 3D view. So using line option and snapping toggle, use all the end points, escape of the snapping option, and from the front view you can see we have created. Now create a rectangle. You will tell me on the comment what I'm making from the line and the rectangle. Give the length as a 8 mm. With 12 mm, and height is 4 inches. Go to the modifier and use sweep option. From pick, select the custom option. The object is created. Place the object in the bottom of the wall and tell me the name of this object in the comment box. We need to clean the window area because it is there. Go to the top view and we need to make a box. Okay, click on box and make a box of the same shape. Maybe rectangle is a good option for this. From the modifier, use edit, not edit poly, edit spline option. Use the vertex and adjust the position so that we will get the accuracy. As I am doing edge to edge. Use extrude option to give the height so that we can make the boolean. I am giving that 12 inches. It is enough to make the boolean. Give it a right position. Select the main object. Go to the compound object. Select Pro Boolean and start picking the reference object. Escape. Go to the 3D view and here you can see the window area is clean. Use the curtain and move to some left area so that it will not override the wall. Yes, better than before. Same do it with this. Nice. Step by step you will look forward a nice view of a 3D interior model. It is very basic model to teach you from the scratch. If you like this video and if you want some more videos on this topic or any other topic, you can write on comment. Write in comment. Go to the application menu, click import and say merge option. Application menu, import, merge. Go back to the parent and there's a table option. Use .3ds. Don't worry, you will get all these files. The link is given in the description. From that link you can download all the objects including the main 3ds file. We have our center table. Reduce their height and parameters by scaling the object. You know the shortcuts very well. The shortkeys are from your keyboard. Place at the right position by checking all the views or any two views, top or any side view. Select all the objects and make a group. It will be easy to select the object. Rename center table, press OK. Go to the top view. From camera, select V-Ray camera, V-Ray physical camera. Just click and drop to another location. Delete this one. Try again. Now it is good. Select target and camera both and go to the side view to check the right position of the camera. Make on the eye setting level. Select the camera view. You can use short key C. Adjust the target area. Move the position to get a proper field of view. I need to move the camera more back step. For that we need to shift the wall. So go to the top view. Select the wall. From modifier, select edit poly and active the edges. Drag it to the down area. Make it off. Select the floor or plane and change the width, length as per your preference. Reposition. Select the camera and move to the back. Again go to the top view. Okay, we can see the center table from the side view. From the top view, again merge a file. Switch option. Again use .3ds file. Click OK. Yes. And we got the switch. It is electrical switch. Place on the right way and give some rotation. And place on the wall. We can check on another view whether it is in right position or not. You can check also in camera view. Make group of it. Switch. Hit OK. Save the file. Select the object, go to the edit poly option, use the vertex and drag down to the wall. Now select the camera, type C to go to the camera view. Create a plane and close the top area so that we can give the light to capture the proper view. Adjust the height of the plane. Now no matter of the color and the position, but still make it on the top. Use the V-Ray light option from the light and make a rectangle like that so that it will cover full area. Go to the another view and adjust the position. Make the frame some downside. Select your camera. White balance to daylight, neutral, shutter speed 100 and fill speed to 50. Go to the render setup. You can use shortcut F10. For the output side, select HD and a smaller one to test the render file. In the image sampler and the image filterer, Catmull ROM. Make the max subdivision 200. Okay, environment is okay. Color mapping, change the option to the exponential. Go to the GI, primary engine irradiance map, and select the very low to irradiance map. Go to the light cache, make it 1500, and on the caustics. Yes, by making check the box. You can save this setting for the future reference by clicking save preset. As I'm saving this file, render, save. Load preset option is there, you can use anytime. Go to the load preset and use this option, load. So all the setting is loaded. Now we just need to hit the render button, and you can see we have the result what we did. The color is not matching, the grooves or tiles is not looking good, and something we need to do more with that to get a proper view. But I like the wall color, it is very good. Cancel it. Close all the dialog box. Go to the top view. Select the floor. Go to material editor, select the tile material. From here, change the count 5 and 3 or 5 and 5. Make it first 5 and 5. Go to the group side, make it 0 1, 0 5. We'll test on 0 5 first, otherwise we'll change it to 0.01. Hit render to see the changes. Still I am not satisfied. Again go to the material editor and change the vertical count. Make it 3. Okay, now it is looking good. And change the group size 0.01. It's looking very good. Check again in render. Import one more file. Table.3ds, because the previous table was looking something very large and horrible. Group this one as a table 2. Move to the position and use the scale option to reduce the size of the object, as I am doing on the screen. and reposition it. Right. From the any side view you can check the position. Make it right here. Save this file and hit render a test view. Cancel it. It is looking good. Change the frame position. Save the file and hit a render test again. On every step we are getting something more beautiful view by doing step by step. Cancel the rendering. Select the camera and make some alignment so that we can check the table or tabletop area. Go to the material editor, get material and select V-Ray material. From the diffuse color, make it white. Again V-Ray material. Again get a V-Ray material, click on diffuse color. I am going to give this color to the wall. Select your wall and assign the material. Hit a test render, you can check the result. I think light is something bright. Reduce the light intensity by reducing the multiplier. Select the glass and make a material for the glass. Go to the V-Ray material, white on the diffuse and full white again in the refraction. Glossiness 0.5 and full white for the refraction. Make the glossiness 0.8 This value gives our glass a frosted effect. You can see. Close all the window. Okay, apply the material. Go to the material editor and assign the material to the object. You can see a clear glass view, but in the render it will give you the frosted effect. Select again a V-Ray material. Go to the diffuse. Make some gray option. Press OK. In reflection, select full white. Give the reflection value 0.9. Max depth 10 and the Fresnel IOR 25. We are making the steel aluminium, you can say aluminium frame. From this 3D view I am going to select the frame and assign the material, show material, and check on 3D view. Again we need to replace the glass material. Select the glass and you assign the material. Now it is looking good. Go to the camera view. Okay, first copy the camera. And I'm trying to capture a side view or the angular view. It's looking pretty good. When you hit the enter, you can see the test result. Now it's time to give the light to the curve area. First, give the texture to the curve. Select bitmap from the V-Ray material, show material, and assign the material to the reference object. You can give some reflection using this option and give the reflection value 0.955. Here you can see the reflections. Make a test render. You can see the appearance of the texture, but it's not looking good. We need to use the unwrap UV map option to make it correct. But first, apply the material to the curtain. Click on diffuse button, use bitmap option and use the curtain material. Just show material and assign the material to the curtain. Close the window. Go to the top view and assign the render or assign the material to the next curtain. Create a box. We'll use this box as a glue object, and this will give the light to the curve, and we'll see a clear, beautiful light option in the curve. Adjust the parameter. You can check from the side view. The height is very much. Reduce the height as 3 inches and reposition the object. change the width, make it some bigger, place on the right position, go to the material editor and make the glow material for it. Select V-Ray light material, choose the color from the color picker, press OK and give the intensity value. Select the object and assign the material to the object. Now go to the camera view. Select the camera and type C from your keyboard and you will get the camera view. Hit a test render. Okay, it's time to give the texture to the frame. Select the frame. It is a polygon object. Select the polygon and select one face. Go to the material editor. Get material and select V-Ray material. Use all three V-Ray materials to the next 3 frames. From the diffuse button, click the bitmap and select the map. Assign the material and click on show material. You can change the tiling option if you want some reduction. I think 1 and 1 is a good value. Close this polygon and do with the same another 2 frames. Go to the first camera view. First save the file. Okay, test a render on second camera view. Go to the render. And you can see what we get. It is a very good, but we need to give some changes to the material. Make it white, the curve light, render it again. go to the render setup and use 19201080 option. It is the final render. You can use the render setup for the final rendering only, because it will take the more time as compared to the test one. Here you can see the final result. But wait, something is horrible in our rendered view. You can see the curve texture. Select the curve, go to the modifier UVW map. Not this one. I did mistake. Go to the modifier, select UVW map option, and there's a many option in mapping parameter. You can check all the options to get a best view of your material. I think planner is a good option. No, cylindrical is good. It is looking good, really looking good. Now we are ready to make a final rendering. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and write on the comment for the next video topic.